Hi, I am Trisha. We can see about the multiplexer and demultiplexer. Multiplexer means transmitting a large number of information unit over a small number of channels or line. A digital multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and direct into a single output line. The selection of particular input line is controlled by a set of selection line. Normally there are two n input line and n selection line whose input combination determine which input is selected. Input variables S0, S1, D0, D1, D2, D3 and the output variables is Y. They have four inputs D0, D1, D2, D3 and the two select line S0, S1 and the output is Y. This is a block diagram for the multiplexer D0, D1, D2, D3 and the output. This is a table D0, S1 dash, S0 dash, D1, S1 dash, S0, D2, S1, S0 dash, D3, S1, S0. This is a equation. This is a circuit diagram for the multiplexer. What are components are used? NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, IC trainer gate, patch codes. This is a truth table for the multiplexer that can be implemented. It has two select line S1, S0 and the four inputs D0, D1, D2, D3 and the output is Y. It can be connected. Okay. D0, D1, D2, D3 will be connected and select line will be connected, NOT gate will be connected. If 2 or 0, the output is 1. If 1 0, output is 1. 2 is 1, output is 1. When 1 and 0, the output is 1. And next we see about the demultiplexer. The function of demultiplexer is an contract to multiplexer function. It takes information from one line and distributes it to a given number of output lines. For this reason, the demultiplexer is also known as a data distributor. Decoder can also be used as demultiplexer. In the 1:4 demultiplexer circuit, the data input line goes to all the AND gate. The data select line enable only one gate at a time and the data on the data input line will pass through the selector gate to the associated data output line. The input variable are A, S0, S1 and the output variables are D0, D1, D2, D3. Here four outputs D0, D1, D2, D3 and two select line S0, S1 and the input is A. This is a block diagram. Input is A, two select line and the four outputs. This is a function table. X S1 dash S0 dash plus X S1 dash S0 plus X S1 S0 dash plus X S1 S0. This is a circuit diagram. Input A S0 S1, it will be connected input line all the gate and NOT and selector line. This is a truth table for the demultiplexer. It can be implemented. S1 S0 is selector line and the input A and the output is D0, D1, D2, D3. When 0 0, the output is D0 have 1. 0 1, D1 is 1. 1 0, D2 is 1. 1 1, and the D3 is 1. Finally, this is a demultiplexer for the circuit diagram. It can be used with 3 input NAND gate, NOT gate, IC trainer kit, patch codes. Thank you guys.